In this video lesson, we'll test multiple water parameters using the PoolWaterLAB tester, specially developed by Water ID Germany for the US market. We'll measure pH, alkalinity, and chlorine using tablet reagents. Besides the tester, we need reagents. DPD1 to measure the chlorine level in the water, alkalinity M to determine the water's alkalinity, and phenol red for measuring the pH level. Also, we need a water leveler to precisely adjust the water level in the chambers. Always place it with the holes facing up to avoid getting dust from the tiles on it, and to prevent that dust from entering the measuring chambers. In addition, we need 3 colorful stirring sticks, 1 for each chamber. Turn on the water tester by pressing the power button, just 1 short click. Remove the light protection cap. Now it's time to collect a water sample. I'll take it directly from the pool. Before collecting the sample, rinse the measuring chambers with pool water. The best way is to collect the sample at elbow depth, around 30 to 40 centimeters below the surface. This helps avoid contamination and ensures more accurate water chemistry results. So, we've filled the chambers completely with the pool water sample, and now we need to adjust the water level. It's essential to leave exactly 10 milliliters in each chamber. This step is crucial, as small variations can affect accuracy. Take the water leveler with the arrows pointing away from you. Gently press it into the measuring chamber. The excess water will flow out through the overflow channels. Remove the leveler, and you'll see that exactly 10 milliliters of water remain in each chamber. Cover the measuring chambers with the light protection cap. Press the 0 button and wait until the countdown ends. Now we need to select a parameter for each measuring chamber using the T1, T2, and T3 buttons. Press the T1 button once to enter the parameter list. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. In my case, I'm measuring pH. Once selected, I confirm the choice by pressing the OK button. Press the T2 button. I will measure alkalinity. Select the appropriate parameter from the list and press OK. In the third measuring chamber, I will measure chlorine. Choose the chlorine parameter and confirm your selection by pressing the OK button. If you need to remove a parameter from any measuring chamber, for example, T1, do a fast double-click on the T1 button. If you need to change a parameter, press and hold the T1 button. Count to 3, 1, 2, 3, and then release the button. This takes you into the parameter list menu. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. In my case, I don't need to change the parameter, so I press the 0 button, which acts as the back button. All previously selected parameters remain unchanged. Let's start with phenol red photometer reagent. Add it to the first chamber without touching it with your hands. This helps avoid contamination. Squeeze the tablet directly into the chamber, making sure it drops in cleanly without falling outside. The reagent is already inside the measuring chamber. Use the first stirring stick to firmly crush the reagent tablet inside the measuring chamber. Once it breaks apart, stir the solution thoroughly and patiently until the reagent is fully dissolved in the water. Take your time with this step. Any undissolved particles can affect the accuracy of the measurement. The water should become evenly colored and clear, with no visible residue left in the chamber. At the beginning, it may take a bit longer, but with practice, you'll get faster. Cover the measuring chamber with the light protection cap and press the T1 button. For the second measuring chamber, we add the Alkalinity M reagent. Again, squeeze the tablet directly into the chamber. Take another colorful stirring stick. Just like before, first crush the reagent, then stir thoroughly until it is completely dissolved. Proper mixing is essential for an accurate reading. If the reagent isn't completely dissolved, the measurement could be incorrect, so make sure the solution is clear and even before moving on. Tightly cover the measuring chamber. Press the T2 button. To the third measuring chamber, we add the DPD1 reagent. Squeeze the reagent directly into the chamber without touching it. Take the third special stirring stick. First, firmly crush the reagent inside the chamber to break it into smaller pieces. Then, begin stirring slowly and carefully, making sure the reagent dissolves evenly into the water sample. Take your time with this step. It's important that the reagent is fully mixed and no residue is left at the bottom or on the sides of the chamber. A well-dissolved reagent ensures the measurement will be both accurate and reliable. When the reagent is completely mixed with the water sample, cover the chamber, press the T3 button, and then the OK button to start the test. Wait until the countdown finishes. Now we have the test results. To synchronize PoolWaterLAB with Wi-Fi, press the back button once. Then press the Wi-Fi button once. The synchronization is now complete. We return to the main menu. All test results that were stored in the tester have now been uploaded to the cloud and are no longer stored on the device. If you're not going to continue testing, press and hold the off button to switch the tester off. Now let's wash the tester and all the accessories to keep everything clean and ready for the next use. Carefully pour out the colorful water with the reagents from the measuring chamber without removing the chamber from the tester. Rinse the chamber thoroughly to ensure no reagent residue remains. The colored solution can quickly stain and damage the cuvette if not cleaned properly. Also, rinse the colorful stirring sticks thoroughly to remove any remaining reagent. Rinse the light protection cap as well, making sure no residue is left inside or around the edges. PoolWaterLAB. Don't settle for anything less than the best.